Hello Glenn, I'm just going to do a quick video to show you how to deduplicate the list with an Excel program. So we've got this Excel deduplicator here. Basically it's a very simple spreadsheet that is just comparing these values here. So to give you an understanding of how it works, what you need to do is you need to go to the output file, so it's in the files directory. So after you run the gather merchant program and the deduplicate program, you're going to have two files. One's called company out and the other one is called company out deduplicated. So this is the one that interests us. This is a list of 1,300 companies. So what I was doing is I was running the gather merchant program, and that gave this output. It's an output of 3,000 companies. But a lot of them are duplicates. So for instance, this company here, Junior, is in there twice, and My Pure Delivery is in there twice. So that's the output that you get when you run the gather merchants program. And then there's another program called Deduplicate that gets rid of all of the duplicates, and it saves it to a companies out deduplicated.csv. The only problem with this file is that you've obviously contacted some of these companies already, so we need to get rid of the companies that you've already contacted. So to do that, we copy all of those companies from the scraper output into the deduplicated template file, like that. And then what we want to do is we want to go to your original sheet, to the companies that you've contacted. I'm guessing these are the companies that you've already sent an email to. So we want to copy all of them in. There's 970 of those. And we want to put them in the B column, like that. Okay, so there we go. We've got 1,300 companies from the scraper and 900 from your list that you've already contacted. Now all we're going to do is a bit of sorting. Now this is actually not Excel, this is LibreOffice, but sorting in Excel, it works pretty much the same. So it's somewhere like tools or data, and then you sort it, and you want to sort by the second column here. And that basically sorts by the name, and you can see here now it's got $10 wholesale, $10 wholesale, and this column here, the C, it just shows you if it's a duplicate. So this one here, it's in there twice, so it shows true. This one's also in there twice, so it shows true. So we want to basically get rid of all of the trues now. So how we do that, we want to copy this C column and paste it in here, but we want to paste it as a special, and we only want to paste the numbers or the text basically. So you can see here this is a formula, so we don't want to paste that formula, we want to paste just the text. So it's a 0. So 0 is false, 1 is true. That's just a LibreOffice thing. It's probably the same in Excel. Now what we want to do is we want to sort by column D. Column D. So these ones up here, these are not duplicated, and the ones at the bottom, all of the ones are the duplicates. So you can see that Sister H&G, you've already contacted that company, so we want to delete that from our list. So we just find where the ones start and just delete everything. Now these ones here, these are companies that you've contacted, but the scraper didn't pull, so we want to get rid of them as well. So these two columns, you don't need them anymore, so we can delete them. And then we want to sort by column A. So now you can see these are all the links, and these are the ones that you've already contacted, so we want to get rid of them. So we can see out of a list of 1,300, 660 are left. So you contacted about half of the companies that are with the scraper pool. So this list here, this first one, that's an error. So we can probably delete that one as well. Yeah. So now what we want to do is we want to save this as a CSV. So we go File, Save As, and then we want to put it in the Files folder, and sorry about that, just had to close a sheet. So these were the 600 companies, and we want to save them. So save as, and then in the files folder, and we want to override this file basically. So this was the 1,300 companies, and we've cut that down to about 600. So we want to basically override that. So just save it as that. It's just asking if we want to override. Yes, we do, and yes, we do want to use the CSV format. And it's important here to change the field delimiter to semicolon. So we want a semicolon as the field delimiter. As the text delimiter, you can have a double colon. So that's like a double comma. So okay, and that's been saved. So now that's our list. So if we open that with some sort of a notepad program, we can see this is our list. There's 1,667 companies that you haven't contacted, and yeah, that the scraper pool. So this list we can feed the emailing program with, and it'll go and send the emails. So thanks very much.